Here's how I cut my own wispy bangs, both for the first time and as a touch-up. None of the tools I'm using here are the ones that you would normally use. So wherever your part is, you want to make a tiny triangle. I kind of loosely hold it and check where it's gonna fall. Right now it's falling pretty far. I'm gonna cut it like just below my eyebrows. And then while you're cutting, you don't want to go straight across. You want to do upwards like this. I'm doing a really small amount because you can always cut more. Now the next thing I do is I make a bigger triangle that includes some of this here. This is the scary part. So what I did the first time was I used the short hairs, which are like right here, as a guide. And then I flattened this out. And I literally took the scissors and just went slowly like down that way. It's already cut and I don't need to cut that much. I just figured for someone whose first time it is, they want to know. And that created this kind of look that's kind of like a curtain. So then what I'm gonna do here today, because I already have it done, is I'm just gonna pull this down. I'm literally just going to go up. It turns the hair into a diagonal. I hold it straight, but if you look at it, it's really like an angle. So instead of straight, we're gonna go like this. See, it creates that. I don't care if it's perfect, so then I'm gonna do the other side. Make sure it's matching, but look how like smaller this piece is. Going inward to get that choppy effect. See, this one's a lot thinner, but actually, if it were the same amount, they're close enough. I'm gonna cut this little bit so that you can see. You wanna get it to blend. So see, this is the smallest piece. I bring it around and I'm making it match to the longest piece. Still longer. Always better to do a little at a time. But in the end, so you can, what people do is they'll even blend all the way down. But I kind of like it not blending as much. I would say the middle still needs to be a little shorter because in my eyes, but you know, when you, this is really straight. I blow dried it straight in my hair. With a round brush, it's gonna poof. Okay, so I got a little more volume in there. For me, this is perfect. So here's the final look with my bangs blow dried with a small round brush. A little long, but I like when they kind of go a little bit to the sides like this. So if you have any questions, let me know.